Welcome back to another video from World Technology. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below saying I've subscribed, and we'll reply as soon as we can. Many of us have dreamed of owning our very own Ferrari, but can't afford the price tag. We can, however, have the next best thing, a model remote-controlled LaFerrari. This remote-controlled car has a much more realistic price tag of around $35. Although it will not give you the exciting speeds of a real Ferrari, this electric-powered remote-controlled car can reach speeds of 5.1 miles per hour. This device is a complete replica of a real LaFerrari, and it comes with very high detailed interior and exterior at a scale of 1 to 14. The remote-controlled car has working head and tail lights, as well as the butterfly doors you can open manually. The controller is a Ferrari steering wheel, which is an extra small detail to make you feel as though you own your own Ferrari. Not only can you buy sports cars, you can buy monster trucks. This monster truck remote-controlled car is made by a company called HPI. To give you a bit more excitement, this car has a petrol-powered 3cc engine producing 2.2 brake horsepower, giving much faster speeds. This car gives you much more variety of places you can take it due to its off-road capability. To allow you to take the truck almost anywhere, it comes with some added features such as waterproof battery component, waterproof servos, and a rain cover for the air filter. If you're a remote-controlled hobbyist, this truck is easy to tune. However, for anyone who's just looking for some fun, this remote-controlled truck has an awesome spec as standard. For you to start enjoying yourself, this truck will cost you around £300. Moving away from land slightly, we have this remote-controlled Aerotrooper. If you want to expand where you use remote-controlled gadgets, then this could be for you. Aerotrooper is powered by a 2080 kV 480 brushless motor. This hovercraft has a built-in LED system so you can use it day or night, giving you much more time to enjoy yourself. The durable impact-resistant hull on the hovercraft gives you confidence to drive it anywhere without braking. Although the Aerotrooper is primarily to be used on water, it can also be driven on land, making it more of an amphibious vehicle. Due to using this gadget on water, you do have to make sure you clean and dry it after each use to ensure all parts stay working. This remote-controlled hovercraft will set you back around £330. Staying on the water, we have Volantex Compass Sail Yacht RTR boat. Although this remote-controlled gadget is much slower than the previously shown gadgets, it's a great way for anyone to start up the hobby. This yacht is sail-driven and comes with a control to steer left or right. You don't have to worry about any assembly, as the yacht comes 95% pre-built, meaning you'll be ready to hit the water in less than 5 minutes. The sailboat has an intricately designed hull made from blow-molded ABS plastic, giving the boat strength while staying aesthetically pleasing. Not only does this allow you to have a lovely looking boat, it gives you peace of mind that it's strong and hard to break. This remote-controlled yacht will only cost £115 to get you started in a new hobby. Now we're moving to the sky and looking at remote-controlled planes. This is the F-16 Thunderbirds. It's a scale replica of the iconic aircraft flown by the US Air Force Thunderbirds demonstration team. This plane comes with factory-installed high-power 6S-compatible brushless in-runner motor and 70-amp ESC. Although the company Horizon says that this plane is easy to fly, however, remote-controlled planes are one of the hardest remote-controlled gadgets to control. The plane is easy to assemble and comes with removable wings and a magnetically secured nose cone so you can easily pack away and store the plane safely. The remote-controlled plane helps you get a little closer to your dream of being able to fly. The plane will cost you around £360. Staying in the air, the last remote control gadget we have is this drone. This is the Mavic Mini made by DJI. Drones are becoming more and more popular, making them easier to buy at affordable prices. This drone comes under the weight limit of 250 grams, so you don't have to register with the FAA. This means that you can fly your drone almost anywhere without being told off. Don't worry, if you're only just starting out in this hobby, Mavic Mini is an awesome drone to learn with and will be much easier to fly than the plane we saw previously. Another cool feature of this drone is it comes with a built-in camera so you can record your flight and watch the footage back on your phone. This flying remote control gadget will cost around $400, making it no more expensive than any other gadget in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest gadgets and inventions. See you in the next video.